Yes, I can see you. Oh my God, hi, both of you together. मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है मेरी सारी सबसे बड़ी जो डर थी ना लाइफ में तुम दोनों को साथ में फेस करना has finally come true today.
इसीलिए हमने
God has given you an opportunity to face your fears.
एक मिनट, yeah, I think opportunity to face my fears is the right statement, right. Because I was very petrified initially that how will I manage flirting with you both together on one screen. I was very scared. क्या करूँ, क्या बोलूँ, क्या नहीं.
Finally, we make you choose between us by the end of this conversation.
Yes.
Or maybe we can choose. We three can choose to live together. How about that?
Yeah, right.
Right.
Not getting away with this.
How are you guys? Just tell me everything. मतलब एक तो how have you been? प्रज्ञा तू तो भूल ही गई है. Ojita तो फिर भी I have met Ojita once and when she was in Mumbai and all of that. But
I wasn't in Mumbai. That's why you didn't meet me. And I keep messaging you.
No, you never message me, Pragya. I'm the only.
I react to all your Insta stories.
Oh,
no, he doesn't react to my stories.
You don't put any stories. I never seen you putting stories.
He's not following me.
I am. ऐसा हो नहीं सकता. बताओ खुद की वाइफ को फॉलो नहीं करूँगा. ऐसा हो सकता है कभी?
Oh my God! Please, is this going live?
Is this? Pragya, do you still want to hide this, or can we, open up about our equation today? What do you think? We still want to.
I'm completely fine.
Do we really want to keep it under the covers even now after all the college drama that we've gone through?
Don't talk about college. That's a separate story. Oh. But I'm still waiting for the Kangan.
So you're waiting for what?
Kangan.
हाँ, ओजू तू सुन मत ये बात. कंगन की बात अलग बात कर रही है. तेरे संग अलग कंगन है ओजिता.
Oh please! I really thought that day you were very serious, and then Sukriti told me no, he's never serious, and my heart got broken again.
Firstly, we need to
every other time.
एक मिनट. On that very note, I would want to clarify once and for all to both of you that Sukriti is the worst enemy that I can have. अगर ऐसे दोस्त तो दुश्मनों की जरूरत नहीं है. वो मेरा घर बसने देना ही नहीं चाहती भाई. वो कमिटेड है, चाहती नहीं शशांक कमिट हो. उसका लाइफ का रूल है शशांक सिंगल रहे बस.
ताकि वो जब चाहे तुझे यूज कर सके.
Oh my God, use and how, trust me. इतना यूज होता है ना, manipulate, use everything she has done. Oh God. But एक बात बताओ यार, तुम दोनों how do you guys end up being together all the time? I know me and Sukriti are so jealous of you both all the time. Like you guys are giving us best friend goals now.
I think that's destiny for us.
Is it?
I think you know why it happened. So we met on first. I have a story for this. Yeah, we met on 1st January. Yeah. So I was coming back from Goa and I was going for my Delhi stint.
Yeah.
And so I took an indirect flight because I wanted to meet her before going to Delhi. I was like, पता नहीं अब कब मिलेंगे. We will not know कि अब पूरे साल में where will our stints be, because we had our rural stints and all that coming up. So we were very unsure. So we thought, okay, ठीक है, let's meet on 1st Jan. And I still remember both of us sitting in Govinda's and talking, कि पता नहीं अब कब मिलेंगे. This is only 3-4 hours we are getting to spend, and hopefully हमारे at least final location same जगह हो जाए. So अगर इस साल या next साल हमारी शादी होगी तो उससे पहले we can be roomies again. And destiny happened कि both of us got Delhi, both of us got Mumbai. Mumbai में lockdown हुआ, we are stuck up together, but we are happy.
No. Yeah, you are very happy, and trust me, I think you guys have set such high standards for each other that I don't think any guy can fulfill it ever. I mean, तुम दोनों एक दूसरे के लिए इतना ज़्यादा करने लगे हो कि I don't think कोई भी लड़का तुम लोगों को खुश रख पाएगा. Unless we. I think and sorry, what?
I'm saying this is just your way of getting away from answering our question today.
Yes.
No, but I am thinking that, I was wondering ki if nobody else can make you happy, how about, there's something I proposed in the very initial of the conversation that, it can be a combined effort to keep each other happy. So yeah, we can do that. We can work on that. On that note, I will just I'll ask the mascot to join us. Let's see where she is.
Yes,
we want the mascot live.
Yes, we want the mascot.
Yeah. She has to be a part of this call because this roomie call has to happen. Like, it's a roomie call that I'm doing.
So, thank you, Shashank, for getting us on a call.
Oh my God, I am honored and glad to do that. मुझे तो लगा ही नहीं था कि प्रज्ञा मानेगी. After Starbucks, she didn't agree last time, and I was like, maybe this time she'll not. And then Sukriti tells me why not, and I was like, I am all in. I would be honored to do this.
I didn't agree for Starbucks because the partner you chose for me that time was wrong. This time the partner is correct.
Pragya, we'll come to all of that once in the in the next segment of the conversation. Hi Sukriti.
Hey guys! Oh my God! Look at the mascot, all decked up.
And she's always ready.
She's always ready.
हम ऐसे लग रहे हैं सोने वाले हैं. हाँ. Should we go and change and come?
Guys, you talked to me in the evening and I was like in the same getup and you are talking to me again tonight. How are you even surprised? Like I thought you knew I wanted to be wearing today.
नहीं, मतलब we thought कि अब तक makeup wear down हो गया होगा and you would have like yeah, it's
not
11 in the night.
But listen, not when she's retouching every 5 seconds. How will the makeup
Sure.
wear off?
But are you guys
To thank Sukriti in a way, because I think this call has happened only because Sukriti got you both in my life. Because we were friends, and then I found out that tum dono uske roommate, pseudo roommate or roommate ho, and we became this larger circle, and I found love in both of you. And obviously I was friends only with Sukriti so that I could meet you both. You all know that, right? The only reason me and Sukriti
मेरे को तो use ही किया शाम में पूरा time.
Oh, before you come to that, Sukriti, before you come to that, I think you have to know what Ojita just said. Ojita and Pragya both said that you use me and you want me to be single eternally so that you can use me whenever you want to.
What? I'm sure this was in a very different context and you're taking it out of proportions and out of context completely.
Acha, ठीक है. Guys, before we go anywhere else in the conversation, I would want to know one thing, that ek to, as Pragya said, that it's pure destiny that you both end up being together in the same city, in the same room, and you guys are just like this solid roommate bond ban gaya hai tum dono ka. People identify you as Pragya Ojita together. Nobody speaks of each other individually anymore. Has there ever been a moment of disappointment in your friendship? Sukriti, there's a lot of background noise from your end. If you can put a headphone in.
Background noise. That's weird because like everyone at my place has slept, but sure, I'll do that. You guys continue.
So Pragya, Ojita, both. To you, I'm addressing this. That has there ever been a moment of disappointment in your friendship when you've really been disappointed in one another, each other? Has there ever been anything
So
like
many
that?
times.
So many times.
Can you elaborate?
I think we fight so much.
Can you elaborate on one of those incidents? We would really want to know, because I was discussing this with Sukriti also कि मैं और Sukriti बहुत disappointed हैं एक दूसरे में, लड़ाई करते ही रहते, but we have never found out anything or discussed anything where you guys have fought or not spoken.
I think our friendship has become so strong because we fight so much and we speak out our minds to each other.
And
Okay.
we still come back to
Yes.
pacifying each other.
Yeah. So.
But ऐसा क्या होता है?
we
क्या
go-
होता है ऐसा?
Initially, like with Sukriti, I've never had fight. Why do I fight with you? Oh, because she gives so much gyan that I just can't handle.
Okay, जैसे
Please. I
किस
give
बात
so much
में?
gyan, and that's why you get angry. No, she doesn't get angry with me just because I give gyan. Okay, I think sometimes it's what we expect out of each other, and we feel that and we feel that we are obliged to do that, but as she said that we fall short of it, and I think that's what starts the fight, and I think that has always been the reason for fight. That either one of us feels that you were supposed to do this for me, but you didn't do it. So I think we have set certain kind of expectations with each other, and see, like
And I especially take her too much for granted.
Sorry,
Oh.
Ojita, we cannot hear you.
What?
What?
see the
Ojita.
first time we fought, it was because I took you for granted.
It was the first time we fought. She remembers it.
Oh my
She remembers
God.
some of it. I just want
Huh,
to
so
remember.
this is
What
one
was that
of-
first time you
No,
guys
so
fought?
see, this is also one more thing. So she doesn't remember anything. Her memory is like कि last दिन का क्या क्या बस वही उसको याद रहेगा.
Ojita,
And my memory is
Ojita,
like कि मैंने 5 साल की थी मैं तब क्या किया था वो भी मुझे याद रहता है.
Ojita, high five on
I think
that. high five on that. I do not remember anything.
Yeah, I'm really jealous. And I really want to have a short-term memory. I don't want to remember things.
Oh my God, beware what
And
you
that
ask
makes
for.
life easy.
Talking on the same lines of other friends that you find and keep finding in future. Can you just briefly firstly tell us that who is single and who's committed in the both of you?
I'm single.
Oh, thanks, Pragya. Ojita, how about you? Can I also say a thanks to you?
Oh my God. I think this turned tables. I was supposed to ask you this question.
I am eternally single. I have been single. When it comes to you both, even if I'm dating somebody, you tell me that you are single, I would break up the very next day.
Oh, please. I don't want to be villain.
No, you don't have to be villain, Baba. I just think that, अगर किसी को हीरा मिल रहा है तो वो चांदी लेके क्यों खुश रहेगा? So I'm one of the.
Oh my God, Shashank, please.
It's so much deja vu for me again, like listening to Shashank flirting with every other woman possible. Yeah. Oh my God.
But Ojita, kindly update us the status of your relationships. Your single down.
Okay. Complicated.
Complicated.
And we are not talking about it.
No, we have to. Oji, you have never updated me on any of this. I mean, I know somehow that, there is something that's complicated on one front, and then you do not appear to be complicated at all. You're the most, non-complicated person.
You're going to put this on social media, and
Baba,
she's going to talk about a complicated life.
No. So I'm not telling her to
I'm backing up my best friend here.
I'm not telling her to delve into details, but upar, I mean, is there somebody, is there not? I mean, or is it like, is there a near future that you foresee together? Is there something like that?
So there is somebody that I want to see future with, but there seems very little possibility. So.
Because that person does not want to see a future with you, or is it like something else is a problem?
No, a lot of other complications actually.
Oh, okay.
Careers take us somewhere else.
Oh, okay.
And stay far away, so that's not fun.
Okay. Okay.
Probably that's not going to work.
So let's bounce to Pragya. Pragya, how about you? Have you totally gotten over your past relationships and everything, or is it still a little bit of it lingering on in your life?
No.
Nothing.
I think I'm over all my crushes. All my crushes are over, and
really?
my parents are happily finding guys for me. Ongoing crushes to chalti rahenge na.
I know what happened to the crush that we're talking about today.
Yeah, like 3 hours before.
Hello. Why did that call happen when this call was supposed to happen? I think I need all the details on this call.
This call is happening because that call happened.
But how, Pragya, tell me. So you are looking for an arranged marriage scenario in future?
Yes. I think my family will be comfortable with that. So even I'm comfortable with that. Yeah.
So have you met anyone? Is there a crazy story of any guy you really saw and the weirdest experience happened? Is there any kind of arranged marriage?
There are many. I don't know how many guys I've seen till now.
Okay.
And seen physically no, but yeah, texting and messaging, I think that is enough for me.
Oh, and text message भी पसंद नहीं आया, कट गया, उसमें कट गया उनका.
I know.
But क्यों?
Sometimes I think they behave very weird. I don't know, maybe it's because arranged marriage and I don't know what is their expectations, but
what are your expectations?
People start behaving very weird.
Let's talk about that. What are your expectations out of the person you are looking for? What's your type? Maybe that.
See, I don't think like we can define any type or something.
ठीक है, मोटा-मोटी.
Once you start living with a person, I think trustworthy, honest, that is very important for me.
Message पे कैसे पता चला प्रज्ञा कि honest नहीं है?
नहीं, message पे तो creep behave कर रहा था, इसके लिए वो कट गया. I cannot. So, and I want someone who is like for that person, I should be also important and his career should be also important. Means it should not be like he becomes crazy about me and then he forgets everything else. But at the same time, it should not happen that he is crazy about everything else and he forgets about me. So a person who should be able to balance his life. I think that is a very basic requirement which you'll have out of any relationship.
True,
So-
very true. Don't we all require that? Yeah.
Yeah.
I think
Yes,
you are.
yes. So
I mean,
it's
Pragya, I think इस call के बाद हमें अलग से sync up करना चाहिए एक बार. To see you. Koji, I think now I can openly do that, given you have, agreed and confessed in front of me that there is somebody, and I stand no chance.
Because of what I said.
Sorry, what?
I
What?
know.
Yeah.
I said now I've already given you an escape route.
Yeah. Not a scapegoat. You have just closed all doors at my face, and I cannot do anything about it now. So I think, Pragya, ऐसा नहीं है
How do you know it is not about you?
No,
Yeah,
I'm
the
not.
second option. Shashank,
But I have a
second
question. Shashank, don't you always go after committed girls anyway?
I don't actually. I think you are talking about something which happens vice versa.
Oh,
yeah.
acha.
Now there's a story that we should be asking about.
No, you shouldn't. I think it anyway sounds wrong on various levels, given Sukriti is my friend and is coming.
You had to point that
And
out.
uses you.
And uses me on a daily basis.
Okay, yeah.
ठीक है. I think it's really somehow very elating for me to connect with you guys. And मुझे ये सोच इतनी साल हो गए हम 2 years we interacted almost on a daily basis and the way we did, and still there were aspects I didn't know about your life, especially Ojita's life. Ojita has always been this mystery girl in college. मुझे लगता है आधे college को नहीं पता Ojita की life में क्या चल रहा है. So everyone thinks
That's
Pragya.
why people were so interested in her.
Nobody was interested in
There
you.
were people.
Exactly.
There was a whole
A lot of
Yeah.
people.
Pragya, I think there were more people interested in you as well. You didn't give any bhav. That is another.
Yeah,
No.
exactly.
No one was interested in me.
EGP 16 तक interested था आप में.
Exactly. Last senior batches, junior batches.
तो
It's not
आपने
so
घास
late,
नहीं डाला.
Pragya.
आपने घास नहीं डाला वो अलग बात है. But senior, junior, same batch. I think everyone was interested in Pragya. And Pragya was like, she was this पार्वती बन के घूम रही थी. वो बनी ही नहीं तब.
Now I've changed from Parvati to Poo.
Oh, have you? ठीक है. Let's start our next segment. Sorry, Pragya, you're saying something. Yeah.
No. Let's start the next segment. I think we have talked too much about our personal lives.
No, we haven't actually. I really wanted to delve deeper, but then I don't want to put you in a spot and
Yes. So that will be off record.
Yeah, that'll be off record after the call. Let's sync up.
Yes.
But
yes.
we will start with the next segment, which is called Awkward Questions with Shashank and Sukriti. And Sukriti, our mascot and co-host, will be doing. You have to answer for each other. So we are kind of gauging who knows each other the best. Yeah. Who knows who the best?
Yes.
Next.
Okay, Ojita, to you for Pragya. Okay, what was her first boyfriend's name?
Do you want me to say that?
No.
Yes, Pragya,
I
come
was
on.
supposed to ask such questions.
अच्छा,
First
initials.
You can do initials.
बता दो.
Okay, I'll say. R. B. E.
Is it correct?
B,
Pragya,
B.
is it correct?
RB.
Yes.
Okay.
And Ojita's Pragya, you have to tell.
Yes. P.S.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah,
I get the
obviously.
Yes, I know something about Ojita.
Yes.
PS.
Now many
Okay.
people will know so much about Ojita.
Okay, one thing which Ojita is afraid of the most. Pragya, you have to answer that.
Afraid of being alone, of not having a group.
Okay. And Ojita, same question for Pragya.
Wait. Oh God, that's tough one. I think emotional breakdown. I
Is she really afraid of them?
Yeah,
being
because given she does so much of
trust,
it.
she goes for it. But
Yeah.
if somebody breaks her trust, I think that's when she is the most devastated, and she always wants to avoid those situations.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay. Favorite song, Pragya ka? Ojita, question to you.
Oh God, all sad
No, just
love
one.
songs.
Yeah, just one.
Just one अभी recently वो सुन रही थी. What is that music? अजीब सा पंजाबी song है. Skies Pink का कुछ तो है. I don't even remember that.
Okay.
song?
Which song? So she has two. In the Hindi, she has Bareilly Ki Barfi ka Nazm Nazm, and in English, 1,000 Years.
Oh.
That's
Oh.
not mine. That's yours. You were the one who made me hear that song.
But Ojita never played 1,000 Years in the Room. How is it that? How is that her favorite song? Acha, theek hai.
I
Favorite.
actually started playing more of it in my first
Recently.
stint at
Achha.
Okay.
that.
Okay. Her favorite TV show. Ojita, you have to tell for Pragya.
Friends. I suppose.
For Ujita, favorite TV show. God, does she even watch anything? I think she told me recently that only one TV series she has watched
Yeah.
very
I'm going
nicely,
to give you the hint.
and that is Dexter. Yeah, I
Oh
know.
my God. Ek minute, Ojita,
First one I
how
watched,
dark are your choices? You like Dexter?
Very. Just looks sweet.
Pragya, I want to interrupt everything here and say that Pragya, I think compatibility test mein we have, qualified. You like Friends, I love Friends.
See, he chooses this compatibility test and Friends wala reference with every girl because almost every girl likes and loves.
हाँ, हाँ,
Girl,
आपको
girl,
सब पता
girl.
है। एक मिनट,
Yeah.
आपको सब पता है। You know everything about my life.
Obviously, I've seen you like through and through for 2-3 years now.
Very.
Acha, next question. Most embarrassing moment at SPJIMR for Pragya. Ojita, question to you.
Oh. Like every time, I will not remember. Most embarrassing moment for you.
Ojita, you have to be a little louder. We cannot hear you. ये murmur whisper मत करो. आपस में discuss नहीं करना. You just need to ask.
Yeah, I really don't remember her embarrassing moments. I mean, she has so many of them.
Yeah.
But she doesn't feel embarrassed most of the time.
Ojita is like, मुझे नहीं पता प्रज्ञा embarrassed थी कि नहीं. मैं embarrassed हो गई थी प्रज्ञा की दोस्त को.
Every time. I'm like, I'm not with her.
But yeah, answer something. Something which you think you recall as the most embarrassing moment. In a fun
Okay,
way.
this has to be really quick.
Yeah, it has to be quick and it can be fun.
You
I mean,
don't remember
I don't
anything.
I have a poor memory.
Yeah, I don't remember when she was embarrassed. Were you ever embarrassed? I think once, after gas we were returning and a dog was coming behind me and, she loves dogs.
okay.
And I think she was trying to pacify the dog and we both started fighting and shouting at each other. And I think that for me, that was very embarrassing. And I think maybe for her also that the way I was shouting at her and she must have thought that, my God, who am I friends with? But she was sending the dog to me, so of course I had all the rights to get angry. She knows I'm super scared of dogs. So I'm always
Okay, cool.
surrounded by them. But you don't remember after gas we were returning?
I can imagine I would be sending dogs to them.
Okay, the next one, really, please guys, really quick answers. One OCD. Eat.
Okay, we'll try.
One
We'll
OCD.
try.
One OCD.
We're trying our best.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
are. Trust me.
So Pragya's
OCD.
OCD.
What? One OCD.
That she has.
Pragya doesn't keep her room clean, so OCD will be about bathing, I think.
And jhootha khana.
Oh, jhootha khana. That
Yeah, I
changed
agree.
her a lot.
No points for Ojita here.
Shank, you know her more than me.
Pragya, are you listening to
Now
this?
you're ready for this.
Are you listening to this? Did you just hear what she just said? I know you more than her, and I think that's the
But she has
qualification you
changed,
need.
Shashank. Shashank, she has
Yeah.
changed now.
She's changed for me and Sukriti, Sashank. I don't know how far you are.
Yeah.
Pragya has changed मतलब कि आप सीधा जूठा खाना खाने लगी, मुंह से निवाला निकाल के खा लेती है.
अरे यार, ये तो कोई
अब ये झूठे के बिना कुछ खाती ही नहीं. नॉर्मल खाना होता नहीं है, पहले झूठा कर दे.
चम्मच चाट के दे दे.
Oh my. Oh God, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Pragya,
OCD
your
for
turn.
Ojita. Yeah.
She likes to keep things clean because I think she has a dust allergy kind of thing, so that's why She wants everything clean.
Okay.
Okay, Ujita, to you. Last time Pragya hooked up.
Oh God. Never.
When
yeah.
was the last?
Never.
Never.
Never played.
Chalo, theek hai. Anyway, so this is the last question. What you have to do is, you have to name male friends for each other. ठीक है? एक दूसरे के male friends. And एक करके you have to go. Like, Ujita gives one name, then Pragya gives one name. And the first one to run out of
suddenly
names
I'm forgetting all her male friends' names. And also I knew everyone's name.
Yeah, I made you meet Babak ke friend.
हाँ, उनका नाम क्या था?
It's okay.
Wow.
I don't remember. Okay, start it.
You can mention.
So
Okay,
guys,
so Ujita, you go first.
yeah, the rule is that you go one after the other, and whoever stops first loses. So let's start with Ujita as Sukriti.
Okay.
Ankit Singh.
Ankit Mota, okay.
Anything else?
What
Any
are
other
friends' names? Yeah.
And what is Gaurav?
He's not my friend anymore.
Anymore now.
Oh, I was talking about another Gaurav, but yeah, Gaurav.
Oh.
Okay.
How many Gauravs I have?
I would. Who did I meet? G से नाम क्या?
Geet.
When?
Shashank.
Nimesh, Varun.
कितने गीत को जानते हो यार? That moment happened.
Geeta. हाँ. नहीं Geeta. Okay, Geeta.
गीता
Geeta,
लड़का है?
okay, this is Geeta.
ये लड़का है?
रोहन नहीं है.
एक गीता लड़का है.
नहीं, उसका नाम गीतांशु
हाँ,
है.
Shashank.
ये कैसा नाम है?
गीता. पेट नेम है यार. तेरा रखा उसने कभी? उसका रखा है.
ऐसे
अच्छा.
दोस्तों के नाम लेते हैं ना. परीक्षित.
ले चुकी है तू परीक्षित 2 बार.
नहीं ले चुकी.
सबसे एसपी वालों का ही दे रही हो.
Anyway, Pragya lost this round. Let's move to the
Winner.
next one.
Pragya has
He's
lost
your
this
friend.
round. I think
Pragya anyways lost.
Ojita is a clear winner, and we all know that Ojita knows Pragya better. I think. Given
Yeah.
that
Hey,
Ojita
listen, only in this round I lost. Only this
Nahi,
friends
nahi,
for the
nahi.
round I lost
Most
because
of them
I
you
forgot. Oh, all the other rounds I actually won.
No.
All
Please,
the
you people have
other.
to justify.
Acha. Okay. So since there's no hamper, we will not maybe decide who won, but we all know who knows who better. But we'll slowly step into the next segment, which is a real test of you guys. You three of you actually. So that's called a roomie quiz, which I'm gonna conduct on 3 of you. You 3 have to name. I'll pop a question which is a generic question. Who's the taller of you 3? Maybe this is just an example, and then you have to.
Sukriti.
Okay, so yeah, that's how. The three of you have to come. Three of you have to come up with an answer, and then we decide who the real answer should have been. Right? So that's how
Like
it works.
we should give our individual answers, or should we like discuss within us and then give answers?
I think we'll start with individual answers, and we'll not take a consensus. We'll just start with individual answers.
Okay.
Who thinks what?
Cool. Okay.
The first one goes, at college, who out of you 3 was always late to class?
Always late for?
Class.
Class.
Ojita.
I think there was a competition between Sukriti and Ojita, but yeah, I think Ojita was.
Always late.
Ojita used to win most of the times.
I used to lock the door most of the times.
Okay. Who's out of you 3? Who's the clumsiest? Point, guys, point. I mean, Ojita, Pragya can point at each other. Sukriti can name it. Just name fast. It has to be really quick.
Yeah,
Who's the
Sukriti. Yeah, we said Sukriti.
Sukriti, where are you?
Your voice didn't reach out.
Yeah. I
Okay.
guess it's me.
You have to accept this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who out of you 3 has a dirtier mind?
Pragya.
Pragya. No doubts about it.
No doubt, Pragya.
I tell you like certain things and you make me. Oh God, chalo
So
anyways.
the silliest thing you will think dirty.
Okay. Who out of you 3 can cry at the drop of a hat?
Pragya.
Yeah.
Okay. That's okay, Pragya. मैं संभालने वालों में से हूँ.
अब मैंने आदत बना ली है खुद का कंधे पे रोने की.
नहीं, I think मैं आदतें खराब करने वालों में से भी हूँ.
मतलब dialogues
Off record.
After the call. Okay, who's the hornier one out of you three? Who do you think is the hornier one out of you three?
Pragya.
Oh, please, Sukriti.
Pragya.
I'm not taking the call.
Acha nahi. Ojita will tell. Ojita is the final deciding person. Ojita,
Yeah.
what do you think?
See, I think it's Ojita. She doesn't say anything. Me and Sukriti, we talk. We say everything. So that's why we come across. But actually, I think it's her.
Yeah, right.
Andar.
What do you think, Sukriti?
You think Chupi
Under
Rustom
the
is
answer,
Ojita?
she is.
I want Ojita's answer pehle. Ojita, what do you think? Who is the hornier one?
Ojita, bolo.
Oh God.
Pragya. Even I think Pragya. Pragya one.
No.
Okay.
She's like, no.
Who out of you?
It's a
Who
very
out of,
difficult question.
okay, the next one. Who out of you three is the most likely to get married the first?
Pragya. I
Pragya.
know. That everyone
Pragya.
knows. And it's just that, I'll tell you a story behind this. When I was in my school and there were 4 friends and they all thought that I'll be the first one to get married.
Oh yeah.
And उसमें से already एक जन की शादी हो चुकी है and I'm expecting दूसरी की भी हो जाएगी and I'm still unmarried. So I'm saying that maybe the answer is me, but the outcome may not be this.
Okay.
So
कोई नहीं. Pragya, we can discuss this offline too. Who out of you three?
Next discussion.
Okay, next one. Who out of you three is most likely to kiss a stranger?
Sukriti. But shut up. That's
Pragya.
Sukriti.
Definitely Pragya.
Ojita, we need your answer. We have 2 answers
Come
ready.
on, yaar, Oji. You know that is her.
No. I
Acha.
know she will not be able to.
I
She'll
will
not be
not
able
do
to.
that.
So Ojita,
And
you
I
think it's
will.
Pragya? You think it's
If
Pragya?
she falls for someone, she'll not be able to kiss. नहीं कर पाएगी.
I'll be able to do it. God, I think I have to start speaking less now. I'm having
No.
a very wrong image.
It's not a wrong image. You are upfront about what you feel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. The
And
next.
it's
Because
cool,
I have
na?
a crush on
Like,
my colleague. हाँ.
And you're the cooler one, man. Like, हम दोनों losers हैं
Yeah,
शायद.
like the badass one.
हाँ, ठीक है. I like exploring things.
Oh, on that
I
very
think I might.
Pragya, on that very note, we have the next question ready for you. Who out of you three is the most likely to experiment with with lesbianism?
No. I think I'm very straight.
Okay, but you have to give an answer. Who do you think is most likely to do it?
Most likely.
हाँ, तुम
Actually, हम तीनों ही like काफी straight हैं.
I guess, yeah.
Can be
हम
asexual,
तीनों
but
काफी
not
straight.
bi.
एक मिनट at gun point
हाँ,
करना है
मतलब
कौन?
I will. हाँ, I think I will agree with Ojita. I think we prefer not having
Yeah.
rather than having sex with. And
Agreed.
it's not something we don't agree that it is a wrong concept. It's just that I think we are
It's
not.
not
Our genetics is not like that.
Okay. ठीक है, okay. Who do you think is most likely to be good in bed? Out of you three.
Pragya.
Pragya. I think Pragya.
When I'm good at everything else, I have to be good in this, right?
Oh God.
सब चीज प्लेस Pragya.
Oh God.
Yeah, but she'll sleep to her rest. So
I know.
going to be 11 minutes, not more than that.
Oh, really? Just because I don't watch movies with you, that's why.
Yeah, she sleeps within 11 minutes.
अच्छा,
and then
हाँ,
I'm sure
even
that's
I
how
agree
her
with that.
performance will be.
Yeah,
Even
what
I
do
would
you-
agree. Pragya सो जाएगी.
तो फिर कौन है फिर कौन है तुम लोग के आइडिया में कौन है? Pragya is not the
I
one.
like my sleeping
नहीं,
times.
हो सकता है कि
And I like my sleeping times. I don't like to disturb it.
yeah, maybe
11
she'll be
means
good in
11.
bed, but
कोई
you
can
have a timing for it.
she'll be like ऐसे टैब बंद कर देगी घुमाकर कि नहीं अब बस हुआ.
Calendar में block time.
This question and answer was not to discuss my orientation and sex life. Okay, come on.
Okay, so the next one. Guys, the next one. Who do you think has walked on a couple while they were making out? Has any one of you done that? Walked on a friend or a couple while they were doing it? While they were
Yeah, I think during my engineering days, I walked on a lot of. Yeah.
I know this story. You have told me this actually. Hence I'm asking it.
अच्छा?
हाँ, हमने बात किया है शुरू पहले में बहुत.
ये कैसी बातें करते थे तुम? Exactly.
मुझे नहीं याद है. मुझे नहीं याद है.
हमसे तो कभी नहीं करी.
But I have worked on people.
Yeah. Who out of you three is the most likely to not go without bitching and gossiping? Who's the gossip queen out of you three?
Sukriti, I think.
Sukriti.
She knows all the time.
She knows.
Totally.
Like,
Is
Pragya
it?
knows actually a lot of it.
I think Pragya knows, yeah.
Yeah, Pragya also knows.
Somehow I
but-
don't talk to people so much, but I know. At least
I
not
don't talk to
necessarily, but-
people. I don't talk to people at all.
You do.
Okay.
चलो ठीक है,
Cool.
ओके. सब चीज के लिए प्रज्ञा ही आंसर.
Sukriti actually. Sukriti knows more gossips.
Who's okay,
Sukriti knows.
guys? Who's the touchiest out of you three? Physically
Pragya.
touching all that.
Pragya.
Yeah, I've seen that. I think. Not with me.
हाँ,
though.
इन्होंने तो देखा है सब.
not
इन्होंने
with
तो
me.
देखा है.
Say not with me, but you three making out kind of. B29 के नीचे.
Okay.
Yeah, I think Pragya gives us the most hugs.
And kisses. मेरे को तो daily 2 kisses मिलती थी cheeks पे.
Oh.
खाने के लिए.
Okay, look at Sukriti missing Pragya.
She was my teddy bear.
क्या?
Yeah.
And यार तेरी टेडी बेयर पतली हो
She
गई
remind me
यार.
of Pratik. कौन मैं?
तेरी टेडी बेयर
Teddy
पतली हो
पतली.
गई.
I know.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
She has become so thin.
Yeah, she's no more.
I can still give very good hugs, Vesna.
Stop dropping hints, huh?
I'm waiting for it.
Who do you think out of you three has watched porn first?
That's a tie
Ojita.
between Ojita Pragya. I can't.
That's
pick
Ojita.
one.
Okay.
Ojita.
Most likely.
Okay.
Okay.
It is you.
And the last question.
मेरे को तो मुझे I remember like. Okay. Anyway, yeah. Next question.
Go ahead.
We had
These guys are the
We
first
gave
ones who
orientation.
showed it to me.
एक मिनट क्या
But
क्या?
we didn't get anything, no? I think we didn't
क्या?
get anything.
no, we got.
I don't think she saw anything.
You didn't see?
I don't
I
even
think we showed
remember.
you.
मेरे को लगा. I think
Oh,
yeah,
I don't
something
think-
you guys showed me.
Okay.
Great.
I
We're
think
proud
you
of
need,
ourselves.
Sukriti, I
Yes.
think you should mention that they showed you a DVD or a clip, something like that. Something you guys showed me was sounding very wrong on various other levels. Okay. The last question for you all, you three, is if you were to choose for each other one character from the new series called Four More Shots Season 2. I mean, obviously, Four More Shots the series. Who do you think is Ojita, Pragya, and Sukriti from that series? This I need a consensus on. I think this I need a consensus.
I think I'm D.
You're D.
Why? Why do you think you're D? She's not stuck between people. Come on.
But what do you think, Sukriti? Then what do you think? Who's Pragya in that series? A little fast.
I don't know. I
guys.
think
It's
in the
not
season,
it's not an essay writing competition that you have really thinking hard.
but I think none of the characters like match what we are. We have a
Really?
very good friendship. Yeah, we don't judge each other. We're always there for each other. But I don't think any of the characters like we can relate to.
Okay. Well, what do you think, Sukriti? Do you think the same, or do you think any different about this?
Yeah, I think they're very different. Like our lives are really different than
Obviously,
what
it's
has
not-
been portrayed.
Listen. It's not based on you, so definitely it'll be a lot different from your real life. But I'm saying loosely, if you're supposed to juxtapose yourself to that character, who would that be? Who would Pragya be in that series? Let's go in a queue now. Sukriti, who do you think Pragya and Ojita would be the closest to anyone in that series? बता दो.
चारों के नाम पहले बताना. चारों के नाम बताना. Ansh,
Ants, Mangs, D or Sids?
Two Mangs. हाँ.
Umang is Bani. Ants is that corporate
Yeah.
lawyer. Sid is that girl who did
Mangs is Umang.
Mangs
Anj is
Umang.
corporate lawyer.
Yeah.
D is the
writer,
author.
the book writer.
Yeah.
Journalist.
And Sid
And
is the
And
stand-up
Sid is Ansh.
But I think profession has to do
I
nothing with the
think
character.
okay. I
She
have one
cannot be
answer.
Ansh.
Yeah, go ahead.
I think Ojita is D.
Okay.
I think I'm more.
Now I know why you're
I
saying
can
that.
be. I can be
And why I
like
cannot be like Ansh?
because you would want to be with family, not alone.
No, I wouldn't want to be in a toxic relationship.
True.
Oh, एक second. Sukriti, did you just hear something?
I have learned that. I have learned that.
Yeah, clearly. And Ojita, what do you think about Sukriti? Who's she the closest to?
Oh. Okay.
इतना 4 ही नाम है यार. I think you don't have to think.
She's. I think she's between Anj and Anj भी नहीं है यार.
Anj and D के बीच का कुछ है.
Sids नहीं. Sids. Pampered बच्चा.
हाँ, at least
प्यारा सा
she's
बच्ची जैसे.
she is
And but then she's also very like career oriented and focused this time.
she's mixed up Anj and
Sids.
Okay. Fair.
I like that answer. I can live with that.
and I was what? No one told what was I?
Yeah, what is Pragya? Now we are coming to Pragya.
You can be D actually. You want people around you. You want family. I mean,
Okay.
like you need friends. You need companionship. No, but actually they're not companions. So you're not close to it.
Yeah, I feel I'm closest to D.
Okay, so we
Yeah,
have
so
two
maybe it's
Ds.
not just companions. Also,
We have 2 Ds here and 1 Sids, right?
Nahi, and one mixture of Sids and Ansh.
Oh yeah, you needed to
one is
correct that,
mixture of
right?
Sids and Ansh.
Yeah,
She's D,
obviously.
and I think I'm more like Ansh.
Okay.
I think
Right.
I'm more like Ansh, and she's more like D. And she's a mixture of Sids and D. Ansh.
Correct. I
Yeah,
think
cool.
battery's running low. Oh my god.
Very-
Okay, that was amazing, guys. Thank you, Pragya Oji, for doing this with us. I think it was a blast. It was a blast from the past, I think, because it was so nice to you finally do it with you guys here, and then you guys agreeing to do it, and then obviously the Rumi quiz and the bit that we covered in the end was amazing. It was a long due conversation, I think, from Starbucks time. Finally, it has happened now. I'm very happy we did this,
Yes.
and this obviously that this is gonna go online very soon. And yeah, enjoy the video, and
Okay.
as much as I enjoyed your company.
Please edit whatever you feel is can be
not
cut.
approved. Yeah, not approved. Yeah, I'll do that.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, Sukriti, for being
Really
a part
fun,
of it.
guys. Yeah.
Cool. Bye, guys. Thank
Cool.
you.
ठीक है. Bye. Thank you. Yes, for inviting us.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, Sukriti. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.